Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to give you an analysis about Ethereum. Is it over? Are we going to see Ethereum to pump to a new all-time high? I'm going to answer to you all of that. Of course, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we post one video about crypto every single day. For those of you who are holding ETH, might be you're probably gonna like this video over here because I'm a big fan. I also hold Ethereum, and I really think that all-time high is just around the corner. First of all, what I want to show you right now, very important, is the fact that lots of people are getting very frustrated that Ethereum is not pumping with Bitcoin, Ethereum has been lagging, and all of that. But actually, if you have a look at the previous bull run in 2020, the situation was very, very similar. We can see that until roughly November, December 2020, unlike Bitcoin, who went completely crazy and you just started to go up, up, and up, Ethereum was just fluctuating all around here. And it was only after the 28th of December that we saw Ethereum pretty much appreciating from $500, $400 to up to $4,300. So is this time going to be any different? I don't think so. First of all, guys, of course, what is very important to understand is that you can see the Bitcoin dominance rising right now. So whenever there is a high Bitcoin dominance, all the money is into Bitcoin and not Ethereum. And also we can see that looking at, for example, total free market cap, but we could be also utilizing the total two market cap as well, which could be, it could give us very good information. We are right now into a very important turning point. I don't need to explain to you what this shape looks like, and I can, you know what, I'm going to tell you anyway. You can see that right now, total two market cap is on the verge of a breakout. This is a beautiful bull flag. It is going to work. We're going to be seeing a potential pump to a new all-time high from here to here, which is going to give us a target of roughly $2.2, $2.3 trillion in market capitalization. And therefore, guys, if you know which altcoins you can buy that are going to go crazy, including Ethereum, including many other alts, you could be making lots of money. Like, for example, guys, in our Discord group, our VIP group, you can see we have a page here of altcoins long term. We know exactly the coins which we're going to buy, which can make a 10x, 20x. We all discuss over here, but also we have altcoin analysis every single day. If you are a day trader, long-term, short-term, Bitcoin analysis. There is my calls, guys, when to get in, when to get out. And of course, guys, the results talk for themselves. So if you are interested in joining a community of like-minded individuals and make money into this alt season, guys, join the VIP group. Website over here as well, link in bio. You can see over here there's a little trader as well as our results for the last 7 months. But let's go back now into Ethereum, guys. So total 2 is telling us of a potential bull flag reaching 2.2, $2.3 trillion, which is going to be massive. And of course, ETH is going to follow that. And looking at the Fibonacci extension from this area over here, I could be seeing ETH reaching a minimum of $5,300. Can it go higher? Of course, guys. It can definitely go way, way higher than what it is right now. We could maybe even see a 3x from here with ETH. And if it's going to follow this pattern over here, we could be seeing even reaching around $7,000 to $8,000 for one Ethereum. There is another reason, very, very important, why ETH could be going higher, guys, is the pairing with Bitcoin right now. You can see that we are reaching a breaking point. I could be seeing maybe one last drop down to here. If BTC goes to 100K, Ethereum is going to be declared dead, and we could be seeing maybe a drop down to this 0.03 in terms of the ETH Bitcoin pairing. But at the same time, once ETH is going to be able to break this multi-months downtrend, then we're going to be seeing really a crazy firework. And even if it's going to go, let's say, up to here, retouching this line over here, you're going to be seeing ETH at least reaching $5,300. And of course, if it's going to go higher, guys, there's going to be another story. We could be seeing ETH reaching 8,000, even $7,000. But now let's go back into Ethereum just to analyze a little bit what's happening right now intraday, so we can see how you can actually trade this market and what to do. I mean, you can clearly see that right now we are on a cusp of a breakout. ETH is forming what we call is a very interesting shape. In general, it could be associated as what we call an inverted head and shoulder. We have a shoulder, we have a shoulder, and now we had a retest of this head and shoulder over here. It could be also a quadruple bottom, you can even call it that. But basically, by looking at this chart over here, where you see this range in a downtrend, but the RSI pointing towards this direction with the potential bullish divergence, we can see that Ethereum is ready to go crazy. And I can tell you with this multi-month compression from here, once it's going to be able to break to the upside, guys, it's going to be pretty much a very strong impulse. And looking at the chart from here, I could be seeing maybe from the daily chart, another drop down to this area over here, especially if Bitcoin is going to pump, maybe down to 2,440, 2,300. And then from here, once you're going to be able to break this area, I'm really confident we could be seeing, and again, no financial advice, but I could be seeing Ethereum to go up to this area over here at the 61.8 to the 78.6, so in between $3,300 to $3,600. And I'm talking about a short-term movement. Perhaps maybe when Bitcoin is going to reach 85 to 90K, I could be seeing Ethereum to go up like crazy, have a bit of a consolidation, then alt season is going to start, and we could be seeing, of course, a new all-time high. We can also see how it's going to perform right now. We can see that we have a little bit of a sell-off. We had a pump up to 2,740. Right now, we can see a little bit of a sell-off, probably in anticipation of the election. And I could be expecting Ethereum for the next week or so to retrace down to this area, potentially from here, forming a potential channel, downward channel, retouching this line over here, the 200-day moving average. We can also see from a Fibonacci point of view, you can see corresponds to the 50%, maybe a little bit lower as well, maybe down to the golden area, 2,339. And then once the election are going to be over, I could be seeing Ethereum to pump up like this. But at the moment, guys, really from a risk point of view, risk to reward, Ethereum presents to be a very good opportunity, which I think we should be seeing at least a target of $5,300. Yeah, I really hope that this gave you a little bit of clarity, and also hope for holding Ethereum. I'm gonna go against lots of people who say is that, and I believe we're gonna see a beautiful breakout, a beautiful pump in the next upcoming months after Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. And of course, guys, if you please have another idea and let me know in the comments why Ethereum shouldn't pump, and also put in the comments, what other coins you think are going to be a better alternative that's ETH. But again, guys, looking even at the monthly chart, we can see, I'm going to just go and show you right now, this chart, in my opinion, looks very bullish, and it looks is about to break to the upside. Cup over here, handle over here, and then you can see the takeoff phase. And from here, guys, to go higher, there is so much room you can go from here. So very excited for Ethereum, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think. But otherwise, I'm going to see you in another video about BTC and crypto. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.